Denise Joy, and I tackle some of the most challenging rooms in a home and turn them into a destination the homeowners will love. In one weekend, using paint, repurposed furniture, a few budget-friendly new and secondhand purchases, along with some good old DIY sweat equity from the homeowner, I sprinkle my magic pixie dust, creating beautifully curated spaces. Trust me, it's not just a room makeover, it transforms your life. In every episode, I give you a backstage pass to see it all. The prep, the process, and the dramatic before and after reveal. In episode 6, I perform a laundry room radical rescue, transforming a dreary basement laundry room in a 100-year-old house and turn it into a light-filled, warm space with paint and my magic pixie dust. How did I go from this to this? Let me show you how. Subscribe to see the dramatic reveal.